Yeah, in this video, we will learn about mounting elastic file system EFS for multiple EC2 instances using AWS Systems Manager. We'll have two parts. In the part one, we will create the EFS file system and we will launch EC2 instances with SSM Agent and SSM role attached to it. And in the part two, we will go with the AWS Systems Manager and we run the respective shell scripts related to EFS, and we'll see the results of the entire this episode. Now let's make our hands dirty. Let's jump onto the AWS console. Okay. Yeah. So we are on the EFS. So here we are creating the file system. This is my EFS file system I am creating, and this is the virtual VPC. Okay, now file system is created. Now let me, this is the file system is created. Let me go to EC2 and launch the instances using the launch template. So let me create the launch template. Here, this is my EC2 EFS launch template, and I can create the AMI ID Linux 2. Instance type I can give as the T2 micro, which is free, and key pair is I have already my key pair, which is created my Mumbai key pair, and security is, I can say here, the existing security group, my EFS security group, which I already created. And then we can attach the IAM role here. So this is the IAM role, which is for the SSM, for the AWS Systems Manager. We need to have this SSM role. However, I will include all that stuff into the description of this YouTube video. And then under the user data, we'll go here and copy this. And we copy this user data here. So in this user data, if you look at here, so what we are doing is we are yum update, which is like Linux operating system any updates, and we are installing the SSM agent. This is from the S3 bucket, and then we are making SSM agent is enabled, and we are starting the SSM agent. And since this is for the EFS, we also installing the Amazon EFS utils, and this is for to see the actual output of this on the on the web. I'm installing the Apache as well, and that's all. Now create a launch template, view launch template, and then from this launch template, which is my EC2 EFS launch template, we can launch two EC2 instances. We can launch instance from template. So we can say number of instances are 2, and we can just say launch instance from this template. Yeah, so we can view launch template, and then we can click to EC2 dashboard. Now we can see there are two EC2 instances are coming up. We can just give, so for our understanding, we can give this as server 1 and this one as server 2. Okay. So two servers are coming up, and one more thing is, so since we attached security group, I just wanted to go over the security group. So this is my EFS security group. Look at the inbound rules. So we have HTTP, SSH, and HTTPS, and we are allowing to the public. And this security group, we are allowing for the default VPC security group as well. So if you look at here, there's a default security group on the VPC. So we are allowing NFS on that VPC from this security group. Okay. So this one we have to give here. So not this one, we have to give my EC2 it's like EFS, right? EFS, my EFS security group. So what it means is for this NFS, we are allowing the traffic from the our EC2 instances. Okay, that's what it means, save rules. So for the default EPC, and this is the security group which we attached for our EC2 instances here. If you look at the security, so this is what we are good for now, and we'll see in the the part 2. Thank you so much for watching this, and we'll look forward for the part 2 of this. Thank you so much.